How to use Claude AI to write a book. First, decide what type of book you want. Before writing, give Claude clear details like genre, fantasy, romance, horror, business, etc., target audience, writing style, book length, main characters, and the tone. For example, I'm gonna type in, help me write a 60,000 word sci-fi novel with a dark atmosphere and cinematic dialogue. The more details you provide, the better the results. Now, the other thing that you can do is write one chapter at a time. Now, don't just ask Claude to generate the entire book in one message. Instead, tell it to generate chapter 1 and then edit chapter 1 to what you would like it to be, and then continue to chapter 4 and then repeat the process. This gives you much better quality and consistency, and it gives you much more room for improvement. The other thing that you need to keep in mind is that you need to save important story information because Claude can forget details in very long chats. A good method is keeping character notes, timeline, locations, important events, and rules of your world inside a separate document. Then paste important information back into the chat when needed. Use Claude for rewrites and improvements. Claude is especially good for improving dialogue, fixing pacing, rewriting scenes, making writing more emotional. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.